So viewers, today we are going to discuss about also Yoroi wallet, and in this video we are going to discuss how we can deposit amount in Yoroi wallet. Yes, if you have a ADA Cardano in your Binance account, so how can you transfer from Binance to Yoroi wallet? This is so simple and easy. If you want to get this information, so please watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So as you can see here, I have opened my YouTube channel. If you are going to use Yoroi wallet, so before going to use Yoroi wallet, you must watch my all videos according to this wallet. I have uploaded almost 4 to 5 videos. You can see here I have how to set up Yoroi wallet, how to find wallet address, how to add new wallet in Yoroi wallet, how to recover your Yoroi wallet. So all videos are very informative for you. So let's start our video. You can see here right top corner many wallets is available here, but I need to pin my Yoroi wallet because today we are going to discuss how we add or deposit amount in our wallet. Simple click on this wallet option, and after that the light wallet is open front of me, Yoroi wallet. I already told you about how to get the wallet address of your wallet. So you can see here, there's C option is available here. Before going to deposit, you must cross check which wallet you are going to use. I have only one wallet. If you have create a many wallets, so you just simple click on this wallet, then your wallet will be automatically selected. Okay, I need to deposit on this wallet. So what will I do? I will just simple click on receive button, and after that you can see here this is the my wallet address, and you can also scan QR code, and you can also generate a new wallet address. But I don't need to generate a new wallet address. I just simple copy this wallet address. Simple is that. And after that I'm going to open my Binance account. There is my Binance account. Yes, there is my Binance account. Now you can see here my Binance account is open in front of me, and I have this some USDT and AVAX, but I need to deposit Cardano. So I just give you method how you transfer money from your Binance to your wallet, or how can you deposit amount. Simple is that when you open your Binance account, the main page like this, and if you have a Cardano in your account, so simple is that you can see here there's three options available here: deposit, withdrawal, and cash in. So I need to withdraw amount. So what will I do? I just simple click on withdrawal option, because I need to withdraw amount from Binance and deposit amount in my Yoroi wallet. So after that this page will be open in front of you. If you click on this, so you can see here there is shown BTC and WBTC, not shown here in here Cardano. So I just simple use space bar and then type here ADA, and you can see here the Cardano is shown in front of me. Simple click on it. I have not this time balance, but if I have balance, so I will use same scenario. Okay, there's two options available here: withdrawal to Binance user or address. So I have this time Yoroi wallet, so that I use this wallet address. Okay, this wallet address, because I need to deposit on this wallet. So you can see here my Binance wallet is open in front of me. If I need to send the money from this wallet, so you can see here I have only two balance. First of all USDT, and second in AVAX. So I need to just deposit ADA from this wallet to Yoroi wallet. So what will I do? So I just simple go to the click on withdrawal option. If you have not a balance, so you can use same scenario like me. I have not balance this time ADA in my wallet, but I have a balance in USDT and AVAX shape. So if you use deposit amount in Yoroi wallet, so you can use same scenario, which is I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, so going to click on withdrawal option, The security purpose, my recorder is not recording Binance activity, so that I'm going to record from my mobile. You can see here there is option available here. There's two options, BTC and WBTC, but I need to send money, means ADA, from my Binance account to my Yoroi wallet. So going to type here ADA, simple click on it. After that, two options is available here, Binance and address. So I just send the money in my Yoroi wallet address, this amount. So select on address, and you can see here there's shown the whitelisted option. I have applied security purpose my Binance account. So I just send money, that's addresses which is I have added in my whitelist. So there is not any option available. So I just simple copy my Yoroi wallet and just simple paste here or add to whitelist. Then I send the money from my Binance to my Yoroi wallets. So when you send money from this wallet, so if you are going to open your Yoroi wallet, so fund will be received in your wallet. Okay. Told you in my last videos how can you create a multiple wallet address. So whereas I hope you properly understand how can you receive money, how to deposit money in your Yoroi wallet. This is so simple and easy. You just simple first of all open your Yoroi wallet. After that, open your Binance account, and then you can easily send money from Binance account to your Yoroi wallet. But before going to send any money, deposit any money, you must cross check your wallet address. Your first three digits like ADD and last three digits RC3. So if you make any mistake pasting your wallet address, so your fund will be lost and not recoverable. Okay. So keep in your mind, when you are going to deposit amount in your Yoroi wallet, you must cross check your wallet address. And also when you are going to create a your account, you must have your seed phrases. Sometime by mistake remove your wallet from your browser, or by mistake your laptop window is corrupted, so you can't recover your balance or you can't recover your wallet. So if you want to save your wallet, so you must save your all necessary information like your wallet address, your wallet seed phrases, your wallet password. So if you have seed phrases, you can also change the password of your wallet, but main necessary thing is that you must have your seed phrases. So in coming videos, I will give you information about how to recover, how to reset your password of your wallet. So, but you must have your seed phrase, otherwise you can't do this. If you have not your seed phrases, you can't recover your password or change your password, or you can't access your wallet. So viewers, I hope you properly understand. In coming video, I will give you information how to stake your Cardano, how to swap one coin to other coin, and how to get the airdrop in coming videos. And I will also give you information how to change your password. So viewers, I hope you properly understand. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So whereas if you get more information about cryptocurrency wallets, simple go to my YouTube channel, Crypto Wallets Info, and after that, if you're going to click on playlist, so you can see here I have upload many wallets reviews. And the main wallet is Brave Wallet, Core Wallet, Phantom Wallet, or Dogecoin Wallet, Bitcoin Wallet, and also you can see here Luna Wallet. Many big name is available here. You just simple go to my YouTube channel and click on any playlist. Like if you are going to use ADA official wallet, so you can use these informations. Okay, you can see here also Ripple Wallet, Litecoin Wallet, Bitcoin Core Wallet, MetaMask Wallet, and also Trust Wallet, Exodus Wallet. Many wallets available here. This YouTube channel is very informative for you if you want to going to start cryptocurrency deposit and withdrawal, you must get all information from this YouTube channel. So yes, please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallet Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me. My email address cryptowalletsinfo, and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.